What's up guys? Ngasi di koigi diet kay ka amta nati maning dalay jay usi forum mall dalay Korean restaurant, Japanese restaurant, right?
Yeah.
Japanese,
Korean.
Hi. Ma'am sum mafam su utsara kay matek. Ay vlogging to di hay ti ma'am sum ming view. Lay ge. View. Na koy paano people go couples ko Ma'am microphone di yaw di ay mobile nam bane ngasi di camera purakte. Ado sound do taba ya right? Tum haibiro ma'am. Yeah.
This is a Raheja thing. All.
Jay level from the Kormangla away do. She is the Kogi night party gumba can Ukumato, Dugumba street never go. Jay the Burger King later. Starbucks here. Starbucks later. This is the ma'am. I took the Tony and guy and some lazy. Me and guy and I'm lazy. Sigi some from jump in Tang, but Lubalising a mother in a Lubalising Anibo or low ever go my experience to give Matungina. Ma'am, she is some Kapaying Brown. Come in the Haviram. Hindi pong home dado eh usi. Ado simayeng umne ko. Sumanzi second part to. Simayeng ko aga tholaga Korean restaurant da sa se nang ati to so di oi bagi. Ado ino usi utoi jima pan da thoga ju healthy oi na sa ba yai ko dagi ko ki junk food sa roi doi ne ba ko. Ado मैं अंदर समुद्र रखे. What you are buying, bro?
I have this book. I'm not read. Everything is. There's one Mark Manson's.
Everything here is cheap, right? What's the difference between the outside, like in the malls and
Yeah, you'll get all cheap things.
Okay.
Books you'll get all cheap. And not half price. It is like 90%.
Here you'll get all the things also, right? What is that? New releases also, no?
Yeah. The book I want is not here.
Liba street se koi sabham thakpam loina phang bai ta re koi ahong badagi atang badagi. Ma'am sumulak ke. Bangalore ri auto sang mga tani LPG nga tani CL is da 90-95% di LPG gi auto nga CL pambi ko may won lumali mo siguro macha yam lay Bangalore ri
These and all now fungus comes. Okay, it's tough to handle these things. All
Now he
fungus
became a gardener. Tell, explain. Explain, bro.
I think all fungus comes here, so it's little tough to take care of this. But maintenance लगता है क्या इसका?
मेडिसिन को नहीं पानी चेक करके डालना.
Are they selling this or just keeping?
हाँ, it's selling it.
Okay, how much for that?
कितना है भैया इसका?
150.
इसका 150. इसका?
300.
Lucky bamboo.
Yeah.
Daw ya ba bamboo ni.
They have tied it all bamboos.
Yeah, it
they
looks
have tied
good,
it together.
no?
It looks good.
Uze makan machu. Ama mahaw ko niyo. Everywhere. Look. Stars. From the Pazego. The design is Korean restaurant. Christmas kisu the Korean Fatore star okay go. Korean. Everywhere Korean. Restaurant manung ni. Kana nan jaga din te no tham je phaje. Himalayan Korean restaurant. Let's see what they have. Californian rolls sushi. Avocado roll, squid roll. What is squid, bro? Malorani, bibimbap, chicken non-veg stuff. Itu ga kimbap. Kimbap se mani bulari haw ra wale.
I'm hungry.
Soft stick there, मैं साब उसमें ही थे. So I will act like I know how to use soft stick. I locked it.
Oh, like how you?
I'm just acting, bro. I don't know. Too good, bro. Seriously. Yeah, it's too. I need to like that. At least I can pick up a potato.
Don't eat it.
This is the one of the most healthiest food in the world, bro. This is kimchi. Here comes our food. Can you?
bibimbap.
Yeah. Can you just give me one fork?
Okay, sure.
Yeah, even I want.
Two, right?
Yeah.
This one beef bibimbap. That one chicken.
This is beef, right?
This one beef. This one chicken.
Oh, this is chicken.
Change it.
Okay.
We're about to eat.
Yeah, I was about to. Bibimbap like beef logani beef bibimbap. Over here chicken bibimbap.
And fork for it. Chopstick fire hit away. This is really nice.
What is this?
Some salad item.
Yeah, that one I know.
Yes.
Like-
But I like little
I
bit.
think some
I
sort
don't
of
know.
sauce and
Yeah,
chili
some-
flakes. Right? Light
Some
sauce.
taste is giving, no?
Yeah.
Beef. This is spinach, no?
Let's see. After eating, we'll come down.
Really kimbap la hai. Try से कर देती है and expect तो होगा. How is the food, bro?
It's very tasty. It's too good.
You're loving it, no?
Yeah, yeah. Blue lime.
Blue lime.
Yeah.
They have a bit lemon. It looks like yum. What to tell? Delicious. I don't know. You taste and tell me.
Yeah, I'll try.
Taste me. Tell me. Sweet, salty. How's this?
It's sweet.
Sweet. You like it?
Some syrup is been put.
Kimbap. Seaweed na mapana yung mas yum. Ihaw yun. This is kaino kang dewa ko. Spinach ko mamali. How do you
Everything is bamboo.
Bibimbap soup.
Okay. This is some soup.
Kimchi soup.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Lemon ginger tea.
Lemon ginger tea. Lok thung bagi. Why are you not eating that kimbap?
I forgot.
Eat bro, it's really tasty.
I forgot.
Lemon ginger tea. It's kind of sweet. You wanna taste? Yum how it. Lupa sa amin kay Pi. Sa asin.
This is nothing. This is artificial, like. It's
Yeah, no, now like that lemon taste and that honey.
This is.
Mahadiyam ta sa day na kaksa da lushan laga do ay pokai do rin handa. I'm going to blast. You're making me eat everything of that.
Bro, eat please.
Bro, at least please take
It
one.
is good, bro, but I'm full. Then we'll wait for a while. Where we have to go? Nowhere now.
Oh, yeah. How are you? See Christmas tree. I don't know, is this Blackpink? Blackpink, it's a band, bro. It's a Korean band. It's a musical band. Christmas tree decoration. I'm sorry. May video si Swai na lushan lagi. May ko yung zig sa lo eh. Lushan le Swai da. May video si nungai ka din like to bira mo comment tayo bira mo. Share to video ma'am. Bye bye.